Hello guys, I'm in Owerri Douglas Road. I will be taking you guys around this Owerri Douglas Road. So guys, this is how Owerri Douglas Road look like. This is St. Paul's. If you know St. Paul's, this is St. Paul's Gate. This is front of St. Paul's Gates as of now. So guys, I will be taking you guys along this road, this Douglas Road, and see how this Douglas Road is now free for movement. So when you are going from St. Paul's here, Douglas down to Mbise roundabout junction before you see Amawasa. So guys, this is the fence of St. Paul's. So guys, I'll be going from here now to upside. This is Douglas Road. This is Douglas. This is Douglas Road. This is Douglas. So guys, you see how the movement everywhere now is clean and free to move, not like before. I just came in town and I see that everywhere is now clean and there is movement. Nobody selling things on the road. Try and sell something on the road and they will carry your market. So guys, I came out to do this video. This is Douglas Road leading to Mbise roundabout before Amawasa. So guys, from the Mbise junction roundabout going down to Douglas, so I went up there to turn back coming down to Douglas. This is how it is. This is how it looks like now. From that Mbise roundabout coming down to where Douglas. This is it. So caution, this place not good to walk at the night. So guys, make sure you do like, subscribe to my channel. Next I will be showing you more areas, more videos coming up. Thank you for being part of my channel. Please make sure you do share this video, like and subscribe. I love you to the moon.